Hi, how are you guys? My young generation friends newly got into the business of the textile industry. My friends who got their graduation, post-graduation and jumped into the family business. Looking at ways how to do business that's different, that has a more exponential growth than from what your fathers and forefathers did. They had a very stable growth, a slow growth, but pretty stable and confident growth. The market has changed, the decade has changed, the millennia has changed. Now the customer base thinks in a different way. They think in a totally unpredictable way. They are ready to change. They are ready to jump from brand to brand. The earlier customers from our father's era stuck on to a brand for years. For decades we stuck upon that. But now no. The people are ready to jump brands day in and day out. We need to be in control of our product, of our marketing and know our customer base pretty well. Get deep inside into a customer base. You have been manufacturing products, you have been selling B2B, you have a set of businesses who purchase from you on a regular basis. Now how do you grow? You want a new set of customers. Getting new set of customers in B2B, there are two ways. Either you compete with what they already have, you reduce the price, one, or you increase the quality to that extent that the customer would be ready to change from its existing vendor to you. A pretty difficult scenario, very difficult to manage. The long-term plan for that, long-term interaction for that, long-term relation building for that, right? Easier way. Why don't you think about getting directly to your customers? A B2C directly. Don't stop your B2B business. It's a way, it's a part of your business. It has its own benefits. You have regular volumes, regular market, and regular transactions. But B2C, it fluctuates from high to low to medium and it carries on. You create new loyalties. You create new customer bases. Those customers at one point of time walk into any of your B2B sector stores, they would know more about your brand, more about your quality because they must have tried once. You are increasing your brand presence. You are growing your brand. You are growing the availability of your brand, the knowledge of your brand with the actual end users. Also, the end users have an option to purchase directly from you through your website, online and try your product. You can create small packages, trial kits, package kits with few of your products that you want the market to know about, which a particular segment of the market, the common segment of the market has not been having access to because you have been in the higher echelon society. You have been selling to the premium and ultra premium customers. Why don't we make a normal customer ultra premium? Let's bring them up. The customers are ready to change. They are looking for options. They are looking for greater quality, for better quality, excellent products. That's new, modern. They are ready to pay more. You know that. I know that. You would do that. I would do that for a quality that's much more better than what I have been regularly using. I would really be open to try one. And that trial once, if I do it and the product is good, I will stick on to that for some time. Unless somebody else comes in. Why don't we explore that option? Get technology into your systems. Get e-commerce into your systems. Get ERP into systems to manage and know exactly how the retail customers would look like, which is the area that has been giving you more market share of your sales, who has been giving you, which product has been giving you more market sales. You also know which product has been giving you more profits to increase the quality and grow more, concentrate more onto the products that give you more profits. If you have more profits, then only you can take care of a customer. You can give additional offers. You can give that wow factor only if you have profits. If you are on a shoestring budget, That's it, you sell and finish it. You can't give to customers the kind of customer support, the kind of wow factor everyone likes to have. Wouldn't you be interested? The young generation business owners who got into the shoes of their existing and running businesses, who got into the management. Let's think over. Be in touch. I'll be there for more support into technology. Let's go ahead. See you. Bye.